Hello, this is Mr. Civil. On the previous tutorial, I taught you on how to generate elevations. On this tutorial, I'll teach you on how to generate the sections. So, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press the notification icon to get all my latest videos. So, let us get started. So this was the plan that we were drawing, and you can see that this x and this x, so this is the section. So that is what we shall do, and we shall generate it and also edit. So first of all, under the toolbox you go to document, and then you'll scroll downwards, you'll find section there. So I'll click on the section, and then I start section and ensure that the whole objects that I have drawn, including the roofs, are there. So I'll start it from there, and then go downwards until the end of the roof, and then I left click. So you can see that this shows that uh, you'll see from your left and then this from your right. For me, I shall use from my left, and then I left click. So you can see that the section has appeared, section 02. So I'll go to arrow and I click on the section that I have generated, and then you can see that our plan has section XX. So I'll change the ID to X, so you can see that also our section has changed here to X, and also here you can see it has changed to X. And then you can click on the section, left click, and then you right click, and then open section. So this is the section that I have gotten. So I'll copy this, I'll highlight, and then copy, go to ground floor, and then let's say I want it to be here, then you can go and paste. So you can see that the section has appeared. So this one, I'll highlight it again, then press Ctrl Shift G, and then delete these parts which are inside here. Also these lines over here, and then this object that I don't need, and I'll delete it. So that is how uh, we edit. And then you go to line, and then you can draw the foundations. For me, I'll use strip foundation, so I'll click there, then go downwards. Let's say by, you can use 1000, let me use 2000. Also you have to draw another line in this wall going downwards to the foundation by 2000. Then I press enter, and then because I'm drawing a strip footing, I'll go like this, let's say by 200, and then downwards also I'll go by 200. I'll come on my left, go towards my left by 200, and then come down by 200, and then I'll join this line. So there is another line that I'll show you, which I'll draw it over here. So I'll draw a horizontal line first of all, and then I'll draw a vertical line, and then one going like this, and then the other one I can draw it from here, going it like that. So I'll cut this, also this one over here, and this one. So I'll get an this sign means that the foundation is to be determined on the site. So I've done on this side, you have to do the same on the other side. For you to do it easily, you just click on arrow and then you highlight this section and then you press Ctrl Shift D so that you can make a copy. And then I click on this black dot, then come on this side and click there. So you can see that I have it on the both sides. Now I'll draw a horizontal line from there to there under the slab. Then I'll click on it and then press Ctrl Shift D. I'll go downwards by 25 and then I'll click on that line that has been generated. I'll go down by 50 and then I'll click on it again, press Ctrl Shift D and then drag it up to 300. So I'll show you what this line means. So for the first one, now I'll fill. So you go to documents and then fill. You double click so the dialog box appears. So the first line I'll fill it with 75%. Then I click OK. I come to that first line, the region, and then I press spacebar and then left click. So you can see that 75% has appeared. On the second line, I'll fill again, now with gravel, and then you click OK. I'll press spacebar and then left click to the region where I want to place. So you can see that the gravel has appeared. And then here I'll fill with hardcore. So I'll go to fill and then select fillstone 1. You can select any one that you want and then click OK. I'll come to the region where the fillstone is to be placed and then I press the spacebar, left click. So you can see that the hardcore has appeared. So these are the layers. So the first layer, you should level the ground first, then you place hardcore, and then you can come and place gravel or quarry sand. Also, the last one you come and place the damp proofing course. So that is DPC, and then you come and cast your slab. So that was for foundation. Now I'll teach you for the roof. So we'll draw the trusses, purlins, and the king posts. So you go to line, and then first of all I'll create a center line which is from the apex of the roof to where it has reached. Let's say we have we shall be having wall plates on the side. So and then I'll click on the center line, press Ctrl Shift D and move towards my left a distance of 25 and then I press enter. I click on the center line again, press Ctrl Shift D and then move towards to my right with the same distance of 25 and then press enter. Now you have to select the line that you created on your left. So I have clicked on it and it has been selected, and then you press shift and then you select the line on your right. So you can see that both of the lines are highlighted. So I'll press Ctrl Shift D. So I'll drag this, I'll drag a copy towards my left. So I'll click here, and then I'll go towards my left by, let's say, a distance of 1600. Then I'll press enter. Also this one I'll copy, I'll drag a copy you press Ctrl Shift D and then you move the lines towards your left with the same distance. So we moved by 1600, so that uh, will be the distance that we shall be using for all of the lines. Also this one, press Ctrl Shift D and then move to my right by 1600. So you can see that these lines have appeared. So I'll cut the lines until they reach here. So these lines will be unwanted. So when you want to cut, I told you before, you just click, you have to press Control and then a scissors like icon will appear. When you pass through the line, you'll see it will change to black, and then you left click and then the line will cut itself automatically. Also here I'll come and cut these lines that have been extended, so it's fine. Now I'll draw another line starting from here, going and joining this line over here. And then I'll click on arrow, click on the line that I've generated, and then press Ctrl Shift D, drag it towards my right with a distance of 50, then I press enter. I'll do the same for this other, so I'll come and click the line. You can start it from anywhere, and then this one will join this one, then I'll drag a copy, so press Ctrl Shift D, move the line towards your right with a distance of 50 millimeters and then press enter. And then you must ensure that the angle is 0 degrees. For this one I'll do the same. I'll go to line and then draw from there to there, and then I'll click on the line, press Ctrl Shift D and drag towards my right the distance of 50 millimeters. So you can see that the line has appeared. So now I'll cut this unwanted part, this one and this one. I'll go here and cut these two. So when you want to cut, you just press Control and then a scissors line like icon will appear. When it turns to black, left click, so you can see that the object you want to cut, it has been cut successfully. So you'll have something like this. I forgot to cut it over here. So the same you have to do on your right side, but because of time you can just mirror it. So I'll teach you on how to mirror. So you highlight all the lines and then you right click, move, and then mirror a copy, or you can press Ctrl Shift M, and then I'll come and select this middle line as my turning point. So I'll click on that and then I'll move to this direction and ensure that is 90 degrees. So you can see it is 90 and then you left click. So you can see the same what we had on our right, on our left we are having it on our right. So I'll come and cut these. So now the center line will not be required, so you can click on it then delete. So that is how we edit the section. You can see we edited the foundations, how the foundation layers, also the roof. So now you can put some text. You can just select text, you'll get it, in the tool document, in toolbox under documents. Then you click on it. For this one, you can type it roof details, and then so on the roof details, you put all the details of the roof. For us, we use the pitching angle of 30 degrees, so you can say 30 degrees uh, pitching pitching angle. You can use 75 by 75 purlins. Also, you can use let's say 45 by 75 buttons. So you can add the details that you wish. For me, I'll leave it up to there because of time. Also, you can have the check on the size of the purlins and buttons. Oh, I've used 27. So I'll click on arrow and then you can change this to 75. And then you go and click on line. You can see that there is an arrow, so you have to select the arrowhead start. So I'll draw a line from the start of the roof, and then I'll click again on the line that does not have an arrowhead, and then I do it like this. Now I'll come and do the same for the foundation. So I'll add the text first. Here I'll come and say foundation details. Then you can start by 300 millimeters, well compacted, hardcore. You can say 50 millimeters, gravel. And then gauge 500, damp proving, cause, DPC. And then you can come and add others. Because of time, I shall just write those. Then you come again to line, then select the line with an arrowhead, then you draw it from here. Then you click the line that doesn't have any arrowhead, then I move towards my right. So you can see this is the section that we have drawn. So this was a tutorial for today. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button to get all my videos, and also to drop a comment in the comment box below. Thank you very much.